Hugh Jackman and Reynolds had some very special guests at the New York City premiere of their new Marvel movie, Deadpool and Wolverine. Jackman, 55, and Reynolds, 47, were joined on the red carpet by Reynolds' wife, Blake Lively, and mutual good friend Gigi Hadid for the highly anticipated third and final installment of the Deadpool franchise on Monday, July 22nd. The foursome were all smiles as they posed for the cameras, with Reynolds sporting a classic black suit and crisp white shirt as he held Lively's hand and stood behind her. It ends with us actress, 36, stunned in a black and red off-the-shoulder jumpsuit, seemingly nodding to Reynolds' Deadpool character, whose costume is the same color scheme. The husband-wife duo added jewelry from Lauren Schwartz, and Lively also wore Ophira jewels to complete her look. Meanwhile, Hadid, 29, rocked a matching bright yellow crop top and low-rise skirt with pleats that hit at the knee, channeling Jackman's Wolverine. She added jewelry designer Alexis Bitter's signature stacked bangles to accentuate her look, which was styled by Elizabeth Seltzer. For his part, Jackman kept his look timeless in a monochrome ensemble.